Welcome to 14500 Deering Avenue. This is a remodeled home located in East Orlando, just 10 minutes from UCF and 5 minutes from the 408. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Give you an idea what the neighborhood looks like. Got some fans of Christmas over there. Okay. Let's take a walk inside, see what the house looks like. It's just about done. And as you can see, you have a covered carport area here. Nice little accent door to come home to every day. Come into the house. This entire house is tiled with porcelain tile. Real attractive, nice stuff here. No carpet in this house, so no worries with allergies or anything like that. This is, as you walk in, this is your living area over here, which is nice and big. We'll just spin around. This is your dining area over here. And then as you look over here is your kitchen, which was actually just installed 2 weeks ago. Got a brand new dishwasher in the corner there, brand new microwave, and a brand new fridge on the way. Fridge is going to be stainless steel to match the other appliances. Inside this door here, you have your own closet pantry. And then you have your laundry room that's inside the house, which is also great, with a lot of storage area in the back here. But again, it's not out in the garage, it's all inside the house. And here you have another storage closet over here that's open, that you can store any number of things. Coming back out, you see a nice bright kitchen with granite countertops. We head out. If you look in the back, there's a storage. This is just basically a little storage area, hangout area in the back of the house. For those who want a little peace and quiet outside. Going this way. Again, you can see the tile all the way down. You go on the right. Here you see your bathroom. Nice crisp white fixtures with brushed nickel fittings. A nice attractive bathtub and bath area over there, with your little nook for your shampoos and such. Coming around here, it's like a Jack and Jill, this bathroom. Full bath here is shared by the master. The master has its own toilet and vanity area here. And a brand new toilet installed in both bathrooms. This is your master bedroom over here. Again, everything, as of this filming, everything has just been painted. You can see that. And then master bedroom has a decent sized closet that you can see. Coming out in the master bedroom, you can tell the size from outside. It's a pretty decent sized master bedroom. All the rooms have ceiling fans in them, which is great. This is bedroom number 2. This is over here. Again, similar standard size closet. Over here, that's bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 3. Again, real attractive flooring. Oh, and I forgot to mention, all the ceilings are actually knockdown ceilings. None of that old popcorn stuff. So here's a closet for bedroom 3. And then finally, you got your AC over here. This closet there. And then bedroom number 4. So as you can see, while this house looks modest on the outside, there's quite a bit of space on the inside. And there's the closet for number 4. Bedroom number 4. Same size as bedroom number 3. And then over here, you'll see you have a storage building out back to keep whatever you need, your tools and lawnmower and stuff like that. And that's the entrance door to the back patio. And that's it for 14500 Deering Avenue in East Orlando near UCF.